Here's a fun fact. Your brain is only about 3 pounds in weight, but it controls everything you do. From solving math problems to remembering your Netflix password, from falling in love to freaking out before an exam, it's all your brain. Welcome back to the Learning Studio. In today's Psychology Series episode, we're diving into neuroscience and the brain, how this amazing organ and the nervous system shape our thoughts, emotions, and behavior. What is neuroscience in psychology? Neuroscience is the branch of psychology that looks at the biological side of the mind. In other words, how your brain cells, chemicals, and nervous system influence the way you think and act. Think of your brain as the world's most powerful computer, except you can't just turn it off and on when it freezes. Sorry! Everyday example. Ever wondered why your heart races before giving a presentation? That's your brain activating the fight or flight response through your nervous system. Or why eating chocolate makes you feel good? That's dopamine, one of your brain's feel-good chemicals rewarding you. So no, you're not weak for loving snacks. Your brain literally tricks you into it. Quick story case. Let's look at a real case. Remember Phineas Gage from earlier episodes? The railway worker who survived an iron rod through his brain? His accident showed scientists that damaging certain brain areas can completely change personality. Modern neuroscience builds on that idea with brain scans, showing us which areas light up when we're stressed, happy, or even solving puzzles. Basically, it's like Google Maps for the mind. Why neuroscience matters today. Understanding neuroscience matters because it connects psychology with biology. It explains why. Stress can make you physically sick. Sleep improves memory. Technology can literally rewire your brain. Hello, social media addiction. And in the future, neuroscience will keep growing with AI, brain-computer interfaces, and treatments for disorders like Alzheimer's and depression. So here's the takeaway. Psychology isn't just about talking. It's also about biology. Your brain and nervous system are at the center of everything you think, feel, and do. In the next episode, we'll explore developmental psychology, how humans grow and change from childhood all the way to old age. And trust me, that one will explain why teenagers act the way they do. Check the playlist link in the description. Subscribe if you haven't, and let's keep unlocking the secrets of the human mind.